Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Electronics Education for You. I am Dipti Parab and today I am going to teach you how to convert decimal number into any other number system. You just say the number system and you can convert decimal number into that number system using these methods. Watch the video till the end to understand the concept clearly. So let's begin.
The next topic that we have to study is how to convert a decimal number to any other number system. So let's start. In our first video, we saw how to convert a decimal number into binary. Then we divided the decimal number by 2, which is the base of binary, to convert it into its binary equivalent. Later on, we saw how to convert a decimal number into octal, where we divided the decimal number by 8, which is the base of octal number system. And lastly, we saw how to convert a decimal number into its hexadecimal equivalent by dividing the decimal number by 16. Today, we are going to see how to convert the decimal number to any other number system. Applying the same formula, we will have to divide the decimal number by the base of the number system. Let's see the steps first. By summing up from all our previous videos, we can say that step 1 will be to divide the decimal number by the base of the number system in which we want to convert the decimal number into. Step 2 is to write down the quotient and remainder separately. Step 3 is to repeat step 1 and 2 till we get quotient is equal to 0. And the last step is to write down the remainders in reverse order. Remember here that we have to write down the remainders in reverse order as we did for all other number systems. Let's take an example. For example, if we want to convert decimal number 457 into base 5 number system, then we will have to divide 457 by 5, which is the base of the number system. Step 2 is to write down quotient separately and remainder separately. So let us divide 457 by 5. 5 nines are 45 and 5 ones are 5. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 2. Again, let us divide 91 by 5. You can perform division separately in rough work as well, or you can directly solve it here itself. So 5 ones are 5, 4 is the remainder, 41 is the new number. So 5 eights are 40, 1 is the remainder. Again divide 18 by 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 is the remainder. Now 3 is not divisible by 5, so I'll write the quotient as 0 and the remainder will be 3. Writing the remainders in reverse order, that is from bottom to top, we get the answer as 3312, which is the base 5 equivalent of decimal number 457. This was for integer numbers. Same is applicable to fractional numbers as well. In case of fractional numbers, step 1 is to multiply by the base of the number system to which we want to convert the decimal number into. Step 2 is to record the integer and the fractional part. Step 3 is to repeat 1 and 2 steps again and again. And last step is to note the integers in forward order. That is exactly opposite to what we did in integer numbers. For example, if we want to convert 0.253 in base 4, then I will have to multiply 0.253 by 4. I get the answer as 1.012. Now separate the fractional and the integer part. So fractional part in 0.012 and integer part is 1. Again repeat the same thing by multiplying 0.012 by 4. We get the answer as 0.048. Fractional part in this case is 0.048 and integer part is 0. Let us do it one more time. So 0.048 into 4 is equal to 0.192. Fractional part is 0.192, integer part is 0. Again 0.192 into 4 will give me 0.768. Fractional part is 0.768, integer part is 0. We can do this for 4 to 5 times or till we get the fractional part as 0. Since I am getting here the integer part as 0 again and again, I will repeat it one more time to see if now I am getting the answer is 0 or some other value. So let us repeat it one more time. So 0.768 into 4 is equal to 3.072. 0.72 is the fractional part and the integer part is 3. Let us stop now. We can repeat it few more times if that is what your system demands. Now the next step is to write down all the integer parts in forward order, that is from top to bottom. So 0.253 in base 4 is equal to 0.1003.